सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page number 63, verse number 71. जाति व्यक्ति देहि देहौ गुणद्रव्ये यथा पृथक् वियत्सतोस्तथैवास्तु पार्थक्यं कोत्र विस्मयः. Vidyaranya, dealing with the topic of Sat and Asat, Sarva Nama Rupa Prapancha is Asat Mithya. That Nama Rupa Prapancha, because of which principle it is sustaining, is known as Sat principle. It is Satyam. This Satyam principle, that is existent principle, is not visible for our perception. The Sat, the substratum of this universe, which universe is nothing but Namarupa appearing in the form of name and form. It is depending upon that Sat which is invisible. So what is visible, tangibly available for our perception, seeing that I have to discover or understand the invisible principle, because of which this Nama Rupa Prapancha is standing, including my body mind complex. That is real intelligence. That alone is real intelligence. Therefore, he is giving a lot of explanations how one has to separate them intellectually. Physically, you cannot separate. They are inseparable. Nama, Rupa, Sat and Asat, both are inseparable. Sat means Brahman, Asat means Maya. Brahman and Maya are inseparable. Maya is always along with Brahman. 360 days. Even one day extra comes sometime, loop year. That time also Maya is always with that. Therefore, that Maya Karyam Jagat, Nama Rupa Prapancha, when I see, whatever is appearing is Maya Karyam. Immediately I have to understand. Whatever I see, Yatu Drishyam Tatu Maya Karyam. Whatever appears in front of me, Yatu Drishyam, as an object. As an object, whatever appears, Drishya means object. Yatu Drishyam. Yatu Drishyam, whatever is appearing as an object in front of me, Tatu Maya Karyam. That is the product of Maya. Yatu Maya Karyam, whatever is the product of Maya, Tatu Mithya. That is false. So, Everything, without any exception, whatever is an object of perception is Maya. Not only to your eyes, it is an object of your any sense organ. Jnana Indriyas. For any sense, sound, object of hearing, taste, object of the touch, the tongue. Anything you touch, it is an object of that touch. Skin. Anything you smell, it is an object of your nose. So whatever knowledge you are getting through these 5 sense organs, tat mithya maya karyatvat ghatavat. This law, this principle we have to remember all the time. If I forget this law, I can never get hold on Vedanta. I can never get hold on Vedanta. I can never understand Vedanta. Maya doesn't exist separately, independently, without Brahman. Therefore, this Maya Karyam Jagat cannot exist separate from Brahman. Since Maya can never exist separate from Brahman, Maya Karyam Jagat also must be what? It can never independently exist separate from Brahman. Therefore, whenever I see this Maya Karyam Jagat Nama Rupa Prapancha, any objective world, what I have to understand? Yatra yatra Maya Karyam Tatra Tatra Brahma Astitvam. You can understand grammar, Sanskrit, Sanskrit. Sanskrit and chollakodadu, Sanskrit. Okay. Yatra yatra Maya Karyam Jagat Drishyate. Tatra tatra Brahma Astittvameva. Wherever I see the products which are manufactured by Maya, Sattva Rajastamo Gunatmika Maya, Karyam Jagat, Tatra tatra Kim Bhavitavyam, what must be there behind it? And Brahman. Why? Maya doesn't exist separately from Brahman. Therefore, understand. As you are seeing the object, what you are seeing, you are understanding Brahman, not seeing Brahman. As you are seeing that bulb, what you are seeing in electricity? You cannot see electricity. You are understanding there is electricity. Isn't it? Similarly, as I am seeing any object, now if I show this flower, what you are seeing now? I am seeing flower with Brahman. Along with Brahman. I am understanding Brahman in the flower form. Nice. I am understanding the flower I am understanding the Brahman in the flower form. I am seeing the flower and I am understanding the Brahman in that flower. Brahman you cannot see. This language you only can understand. If I talk outside, I get chappal. People cannot understand. So the teacher has to prepare 10 years solidly the students to understand this statement. Therefore, I can boldly talk in front of you. As I am seeing the flower, Brahman. Now the next question, what form of Brahman? Easiness. Flower is, when I say, the easiness is Brahman. Easiness is Brahman. You cannot see the easiness. You can see the flower. Through flower you are understanding the easiness. Mic is, flower is, fan is, light is, house is, she is, it is, he is. You can never separate the easiness. Therefore, whatever is Brahman. What is the next statement? Whatever is Brahman. எது எது இருக்கோ அதுதான் பிரம்மன். எது எது இல்லையோ அது பிரம்மன் சொல்ல முடியாது. எது எது இல்லாமலும் இல்லை. எய்தர் இது இன் அன்மேனிஃபெஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம் ஆர் மேனிஃபெஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம். There is no non-existent for matter. Another important point. இல்லாமலே இருக்கிறது அங்கிறது கிடையாது. There is no non-existence to existence. There is no non-existence to Maya. There is no non-existence to matter. Maya means what? Matter. There is no non-existence to matter. There is no non-existence to existence, Brahman. Therefore, always Brahman is existent, Maya is also existent. There is no time matter vanish. Matter, Maya may go to unmanifest form. I am going very deep topic. Maya may go into unmanifest form, avyakta form. That is, doesn't mean it is has got nasha. Nasha means what? Pralaya. Pralaya means what? Unmanifest form. Unmanifest form means avyakta rupena vartate. Even Bhagavan cannot create an iota of matter newly. Nothing can be created newly. This body matter was in another form. குரங்கு ஃபார்முல இருந்ததோ கழுதை ஃபார்முல இருந்ததோ யாருக்கு தெரியும்? இந்த மேட்டர் இப்போ மனிதன் ஃபார்முல இருக்கு. இந்த மேட்டர் மாயா. Therefore, whenever that Maya manifests, the Brahman existent principle is evident for recognition. Whenever the Maya manifests in the form of name and form, it appears. At that time, Brahman, in the form of easiness, is recognizable, understandable. சும்மா ஒரு பல்பு எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி போதும். Whenever the bulb filament is available, switch put on, electricity is recognizable. கை வச்சா தெரியும். Recognizable. If bulb and filament is not there, electricity is not recognizable, not available. Can you say it is not there, electricity? No, we cannot say. அதே மாதிரி தான் ஆத்மா electricity is always there, but its availability, its recognition, it is discoverable. Okay, the English. It is discoverable, understandable when the upadhi or nama rupa is available. இதெல்லாம் ஒரு ஸ்டேஜ். ஓகே, இதெல்லாம் ரெடி பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். இப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஜாப் இஸ் வாட்? திஸ் மாயா which is inseparable from Brahman, this maya karyam jagat. If it is in maya form, you cannot see it. It has to become gross, subtle. You can feel it, you can see it. If it is in bija avastha, you cannot experience even the maya karyam. It has to manifest. Once it manifests with the tangible form and name, that maya karyam, when I see, I have to understand one important thing. Maya is always lesser order of reality. Maya is always a lesser order of reality, and the Maya upon which it is depending upon Brahman, that is Satyam, Paramarthika Satyam. This is Vyavaharika Satyam. Paramarthika Satyam means what? Absolute reality. It is not depending upon anything for its existence. Brahman is not depending upon anything for its existence. Whereas Maya, Nama Rupa Prapancha, depending upon Brahman for its existence. Brahman is depending upon Maya for its what? Manifestation. Whereas Maya depending totally on Brahman for its existence. Clear? So whatever waves may come and go. Water is not depending on waves. Waves are depending upon water. So therefore, satyam kim, asatyam kim, anritam, maya karyam. What are all they? Starting from Akasha. He is listing out. I don't want to tell all Nama Rupa, Mithya, what are all Maya Karyam, and time pattadu. I cannot finish this text with Panchadashi. If I go on enumerate all Nama Rupa, is it sufficient for Vidyaranya to? This book is not sufficient. Therefore, he says, first one sample I am giving, rest of the things is your homework. So, he is giving one sample, that is Akasha, Jati Vyakti, and Dravya Guna, Deha Dehi, just as you cannot species and specimen. Manushya Jati, Manushyaha. Manushya Jati is species, Manushyatvam. Manushya is a specimen. Dravyam, flower is the dravyam, substance. Its property cannot separate, but you understand. As you are seeing the flower, you are seeing the whiteness or not. As you are seeing the dravyam, flower, you are seeing the guna, color. No, Swami, I am seeing the only color. Anna. You can never see the whiteness without seeing the flower. Clear? Flower whiteness cannot exist separate from the flower. So, dravya gunayoho, can you separate it physically or intellectually? Intellectually. Property is property, flower is flower. Flower is not property, property is not flower. Isn't it? Whiteness is different from the flower noun. Noun is different from adjective or not? Adjective is that possessed by the noun. Noun is the possessor. Adjective whiteness is possessed by the flower. Therefore, adjective can never be the intrinsic nature of the dravyam. You separate, not physical, intellectual. Adhe madri deha dehi ennar. Deha, bodies are there, many bodies. But the Jivatma, you understand. Jivatma, you understand. So, Vikti Dehas are many, but Jivatma is one. Jivatma as Paramatma is one. So, you understand behind every Deha there is Jivatma, Dehi. As you are seeing the Deha, you are seeing the Dehi or not? Sukshma Sariram, Manas. Similarly, he says here, Jati Vikti Deha Dehi Gunadravyayoho Yatha Prathak. Distinctly Prathak Ityasya Bhavaha Parthakyam. Ko Atra Vismayaha Viyat Satoho. Similarly, Sat is common, generality. Viyat is only one element. Viyat Akasha is one element. As you are seeing the Viyat, you are seeing, understanding, you are comprehending one another thing. As you are seeing the space means you cannot see with your eyes. Space is. As you are telling space is, there are two. One is space, another is easiness. Easiness cannot accommodate, space accommodates. So accommodation guna space has got, pratidhvani guna space has got, sat easiness doesn't have any guna property. So therefore you have to discriminate in this manner. Very tough task. Idella தாண்டி போனாதான் ஜகத் மித்யாத்வமே பண்ண முடியும். இதெல்லாம் ஃபவுண்டேஷன். இப்போ நான் சொன்னதெல்லாம் ஃபவுண்டேஷன். இங்கேருந்து யூ ஹேவ் டு கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் த பில்டிங். ஃபால்ஸ் வாட் ஆர் ஆல் ஃபால்ஸ்ன்னா எல்லாமே ஃபால்ஸ் குப்பை தொட்டிலோ போட வேண்டியதான். குப்பை தொட்டி என்னன்னா அழகா இருக்கும், நாவெல்டி, பியூட்டி, இட்ஸ் ஹேவ் இட்ஸ் வெரைட்டி, பட் இட் ஹேஸ் நோ ஸ்டெபிலிட்டி. Swamiji says, Maya Karyam Namarupa Jagat has got beauty, variety and a novelty, but doesn't have stability. Therefore what? Aham Sat Brahma is Satyam. This Maya Karyam Shariram, Vyadhi, Jara, Marana, problems, all are Satyam or Mithya? Appa. அது மித்யான்னு பண்ணிட்டான்னா கவலையே இல்லை. அதுக்கு தான் இது ஃபோம மனசில் வந்தால் தரதி சோகம் ஆத்மாவித். ஹி கிராஸ் ஓவர் சம்சார துக்கம். இதுதான் வழி. இவட புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். புரியறதா? அப்பா, ஐ ஹோப் யூ ஹாவ் அண்டர்ஸ்டுட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. बुद्धोऽपि भेदो नो चित्ते निरूढं याति चेत्तदा अनैकाग्र्या संशयाद्वा रूढ्यभावोऽस्य ते वद. Now Vidyaranya asking a person, after listening this much, suppose if a new person come to this class, first today's class, imagine suddenly new student comes to this class and said, can he or she understand anything? Nothing. Even after attending itself, we are not able to understand properly. Where is the question of a new person coming and sitting? On the other hand, he will get headache. So Vidyaranya asking, why person is not able to discriminate the Vyat Sat intellectually? Why person is not able to this Vyat Akasha is Mithya, Maya Karyam, it doesn't have its own existence other than Sat. Sat is the only Paramarthikam, real, always existent. Why people are not able to understand? Nanaka Puriyala ani yaravadu sonna. எப்படி இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் பாரு. பேதஹா, திஸ் டிஸ்கிரிமினேஷன். வாட் டிஸ்கிரிமினேஷன்? வியத் இஸ் மாயா காரியம் மித்யா நாம ரூபா, இட் டசன்ட் ஹாவ் இட்ஸ் ஓன் எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ஸ். மாயா காரியம், சத் alone is satyam. திஸ் பேதா, திஸ் டிஸ்கிரிமினேஷன் புத்தஹா அபி. புத்தஹா அப்பின்னு ஆஃப்டர் லிசனிங் more time, length of time. Buddha anna akasha, maya karyam, listening lot of time, suppose by attending many classes. The person newly comes out of question. Buddha api, who is sitting in Panchadashi class itself, Buddha api, class by class, second chapter onwards, this teacher is hammering Buddha api. Buddha anna anda Buddhan illa. Okay. Having known this much discrimination, now we have all understood, no, this is discrimination. Idu Paramarthika Satyam, isness, existent principle, Brahman. Viyat Maya Karyam, Panchabhutanlo, first one which is having that Shabda Guna. This and all we know very well. Which is accommodating, which has got Pratidhvani. Everything is a Buddha. Clear? Buddha api, even though, anartha. But, anartha. Buddha api, chitte nirudhim nayati chetada. Nirudhim na conviction, conformity. Establishing in that fact, nirudhi means conviction. In spite of knowing that Vyat is one of the element, first element born and Brahman is Sat, existent principle, even though I know that, but it is not standing in my buddhi, chitte, in the mind. After chappal potta udane Swamini, udane hush kaaki madri poradhu. Chitte nirudhyam. In the mind, it is not standing for a long time. Conviction varamatingiradhu. Nayati, that mind is not getting that conformity, conviction on this what I have understood in the class. I am not able to convince totally. It is not stable in my mind. Yes, this is what I have to remember all the time. Nayati chet tada. If it is so, Vidyaranya asking a person, எனக்கு மனசில் நிற்க மாட்டேங்கிறது இது, ஏதோ நீங்கள் சொல்லும் போது ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்க, கிளாஸில் ஆனந்தமாக இருக்கு, ஆனாலும் once you stop talking, I am not able to remember that. If you are saying like that, I am asking you, your problem not able to stabilize this knowledge, not able to get conviction is because of lack of focusing mind or because of your doubt? Is asking. Tell me now. Vada. Vidyaranya asking. Such a person. எனக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்குது, அது நிற்க மாட்டேங்கிறது மனசில், நிற்க மாட்டேங்கிறதுன்னா வித்யாரண்ய ஆஸ்கிங், ஃபஸ்ட்டு டெல்மி, அது ஏன் நிற்க மாட்டேங்கிறது? உனக்கு கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன் இல்லாதனாலையா இல்லைன்னா சம்சயத்தையா மூலமா? செகண்ட் லைன், வதா, ப்ளீஸ் டெல் மீ. அனைகாக்ரியாத் சம்சயாத்வா. ஏகாகிரதா மீன்ஸ் ஃபோக்கஸிங், one pointedness. Na ekagrata means not having one pointedness. Mind is going here and there, haywire. Not having, lack of single pointed mind. Is your problem is lack of single pointedness of your mind, or because this problem you are not able to stabilize because of doubts? You have some many doubts, or you have this lack of concentration, single pointedness. Ada anekagriyata. Anekagriyat means lack of single pointedness. Lack of single pointedness, one pointedness, or samshayat, because of doubts. Rudhi abhavaha asya. Asya means that bheda buddhi. Bheda means discriminating both of them separately. Asya bheda buddhi, you are not getting, they are both of them are different. And தெரியாமல் இருக்கிறதுக்கு காரணம் சம்சயம் வா அனைகாகிரம் வா. Either lack of concentration or your doubts. Tell me, in the rudhi conviction you are not getting, te tava, to you, what is your problem? Either this problem or that problem. I will give you the remedy. If it is first problem, I will give you one type of remedy. If it is the second problem, samshaya, I give another type of remedy. You follow that remedy, you will get rudhi. Rudhi ante conviction. What are those remedies? Next shloka, he gives 73, he gives the remedy. Who are all having the problem of one-pointedness. Single-pointed mind is very, very difficult to get. You require a tremendous sadhana, tapas, and the single-pointed mind. And the mind is, first of all, weak mind, unhealthy mind, distracted mind, doubtful mind, எத்தனை மைண்ட் பாருங்க. இவ்வளப்பட்ட மைண்டுக்கு போய் ஏதோ பெரிய விஷயம் சொன்னால் புரியுமா என்னன்னா, அந்த மனசுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, எஸ்டர்டே கிளாஸ் நிதித்தியாசனம் சொல்கிறார். How to do நிதித்தியாசன்? 6th chapter Bhagavad Gita, if you study 6 times also, if you understand, it is a great wonder. 6th chapter அவ்வளோ இருக்கு அந்த சாப்டரில். அதே சொல்கிறாரு இங்கே. இப்போ நிதித்தியாசனம் தான் தேவை உனக்கு. Now look into the sloka, we'll read. Apramatto bhavadhyanat adyenyasmin vivechanam kuru pramanayuktibhyam tato rudhatamo bhavet. That is why we say complete study of Vedantic scriptures is very important for everyone to get moksha. There is no any choice or exception. Complete study of Prasthanatrayam. Whether you are able to attend or not, study or not, it is your problem. But Shastra says, if you want freedom from sorrow, if you want to thorough, conform conviction in moksha and assimilation of that knowledge, there is no other way. You have to study Bhagavad Gita, not one time or two times. Until you see, as you are seeing the sloka, you are able to identify with that. That is called real study. As you are reading the sloka, na sato vidyate bhavaha, na bhavo vidyate sataha. Adi padikkum bodhe, I have to be in that artha. That is called real understanding. Until that time, I have to study Bhagavad Gita. Appada study, Bhagavad Gita study is complete and artham. Otherwise, it is not complete. Clear? As I am reading the sloka, it is true to me, facts. Until that time, you have to study. Whether you are able to attend or not, it is your choice. Okay? I am telling the fact. Then, after studying Bhagavad Gita, I have to study Upanishads thoroughly. All Upanishads, 10 Upanishads minimum. And while studying Upanishads, I have to study, after finishing certain Upanishads, I have to study Brahma Sutra. In between Bhagavad Gita to Upanishads to Brahma Sutra, in between Prakarana Grandhas. This is the Prasthanatrayam. Extra is Prakarana Grandha. Panchadasi comes under Prakarana Grandha. We have studied so many Prakarana Grandhas. I have taken for Mailapur students, umpteen Prakarana Grandhas are there. Of course, in T Nagar also I have taken. Why we are teaching in a time pass ka cholli kudukare nanu? Illai. The students have to get full knowledge. Without these Prasthanatrayam Prakarana Grandha study, it is not possible to get that assimilation. Whoever is not listening in this manner, they are only casual listeners. They are only casual listeners. If they are Tivra Mumukshus, they have to spend either to class or to CD or to cassette. They have to spend. No other way. What can I do? Fortunately or unfortunately, this is the only way. அப்பப்போ நான் ரிமைண்ட் பண்ணி தான் ஆகணும். சுவாமினி நீங்கள் சொல்லலையே 10 வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் நீங்கள் முன்னாடி சொல்லியிருக்கணும்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. அதனால ஐ ஆம் டெல்லிங். Vidyaranya also telling, your problem is lack of concentration. That's why I said, be here 15 minutes before the class. Lack of concentration. என்ன கிளாஸுக்கு வந்ததுக்கு 10 நிமிஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் தான் மனசே கிளாஸில் இறங்கும். நான் வரதே 15 நிமிஷம் லேட் ஆகிடுத்தேன்னா, இப்போ டெய்லி கிளாஸ் வச்சா எப்படி வர முடியும்? வாரத்துக்கு ஒரு நாளே 3/4 மணி நேரம் கிளாஸ் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ண 1 hour கிளாஸ் சப்போஸ். ஓகே, because I'm not knowing the importance of the text. That means my family, sambar, rasam, cleaning, servant is more prominent than Panchadashi class. அப்படி ஆயிடுதுன்னா இது செகண்டரி ஒன்று. Then I have to keep my peace and security, happiness at bay. அவ்வளோதான். They are only going to come later. I am keeping class later, no? They also come later only. If I keep class in front, security PHS also in front. அது மாத்திரம் in front, கிளாஸுக்கு மாத்திரம் நான் பேக் என்ன எப்படி? நேற்று கூட ரொம்ப பவர்ஃபுல்லாக சொன்னால் இன்னைக்கு பவர்ஃபுல்லாக சொல்லின்னு இருக்கேன். என்ன எனக்கு என்னமோ ஐ எம் நாட் ஏபிள் டு ரெசிஸ்ட் மை செல்ஃப். இது சொல்லாமல் இருக்க முடியல. என்ன அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு அந்த சிவியர் அந்த இன்டென்சிட்டி ஆஃப் த ஸ்டடி தே ஷுட் நோ. ஐ எம் நாட் சாண்டிங் half an hour சிட்டிங் கம்மிங் ஹியர் நாட் பட் ஜஸ்ட் சாண்டிங் சேக். ஏதோ என்னோட ஸ்தோத்திரமான இருக்கேன், பிரிண்ட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன், எல்லாரும் படிக்கணும்னுக்காக நான் வரேன். I want to draw your mind fully to the class. அதே வித்யாரண்யர் சொல்றாரு இங்க, அனேகாக்ரியாத், lack of ஏகாகிரதா, come on, do dhyanam, contemplation. And half an hour I sit and do chanting, it is like a dhyanam. Because your mind gets set right in the class. Panchadasi class is not ordinary class. Okay? Any class for that matter, any Vedanta class, it has to set, the mind has to set in the class. It takes time for me. Okay, half an hour I keep for that sake only. I want to make your mind set here. Unavoidable condition, once in a while you are not able to come, it doesn't matter, okay. ஏதோ 2-3 பேர் உட்கார்ந்து சாண்ட் பண்ண, அவங்க பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பாங்க, அவங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியும் நம்ம வீட்டில் வேலை என்ன. Okay, take your own time. Kriya says, apramattaha bhava dhyanat. By contemplation. Lord Krishna, what he said yesterday? Same thing Vidyaranya is telling. 6th chapter Bhagavad Gita, Mandukya in Gaudapada also said, here dhyanat, by contemplation. Apramatto bhava. Apramattaha means steady. Be steady. Make your mind steady. Firm. Adye. Adya means if it is first problem. Anekagrata problem. Lack of single pointedness. If it is your problem, that is the first problem. Adye. This is the first problem. If it is your first problem, if your problem is the first one, single pointedness, lack of single pointedness is your problem, which is the first one, you practice meditation, contemplation. You have to question, how many of us are practicing contemplation? Either samadhi abhyasa rupa nididhyasanam or brahma abhyasa. Walking meditation, walking nididhyasanam or writing nididhyasanam or reading nididhyasanam or sitting nididhyasanam. Which one we are doing? We have to question. Therefore, the more you put effort for sadhana, the more you grasp, the more phalam comes. Otherwise, there is no change in our personality, in our reciprocation, in our response. For every problem at home, we are all very much sensitive. And so they will question, Bhagavad Gita class, you are going to Vedanta class, how many student you are, what is the use? They ask. Then I am the responsible person. It is insult for me. You are losing, suppose, not you, just I am telling any student, suppose, lose that confidence, lose that mental balance, and the anger, suddenly it comes, they will question you, because you must be a model. A Swamini student, and they expect something, no? You must be very special. They expect. They insult the Panchadasi, they insult Bhagavad Gita, they insult Swamini or Guru. They insult everything. They insult you also, of course. Adi thangave mudiyadu. Enna Vedantic student become very sensitive student. Romba sensitive ah iruppa. Enna pannradena? Appadina enna pannanumna namakku sadhana pattala nu artham. Adukku da Vidyaranyar paapam alaga solraru. Pramattaha illa apramattaha bhava. Be alert. Be steady by dhyana practice. Be alert. Make yourself alert. Apramattaha. May you be alert by contemplation. Anekagrata means not having alertness, means a person is sleepy or drowsy or lethargic or not having agile, alert, vigilant mind because of so many other problems. Okay, first problem. Second, anyasmin. Suppose you have second problem. Ella samshayam da. Ella doubting Thomas. அவருக்கு வாய் திறந்த டவுட்டு தான், மனசுக்குள்ள எல்லாமே சந்தேகம்தான். அதையும் ஒன்று ப்ராப்ளம் சப்போஸ், அப்போ என்ன பண்ணும் தெரியுமோ? பிரமாண யுக்திபியாம் விவேச்சனம் குரு. மேயோ டேக் டு பிரமாண, சாஸ்திர பிரமாண யுக்தி வித்யம் விவேச்சனம் குரு. சம்சய நிவృత్త్యర్థம் மனனம். May you do mananam, reflect upon that. Go home and read again and again. Read what is the lesson today Swamini has taken. What is the previous lesson? What is the previous lesson? See the connection. Pramana yuktibhyam. Pramana means shastra. Yuktibhyam means logic. Use logic or tarka. Tarka in the line of scriptural teaching. Shruti sammata tarkena samshaya nivrittihi. Logic we use to remove our doubts. Tataha. Then what will happen? Once you do contemplation, once you do this vichara, reflecting upon this mananam again and again through shastra sammata tarkadvara, logical analysis. அதுக்கு தான் பிரம்மசூத்திரம். பிரம்மசூத்திரம் என்ன? அது நியாய பிரஸ்தானம். That's why I have to give time for study, listening. Without giving time for listening, PHS எங்கேயோ டிஸ்டன்ஸில் இருக்கும். PHS has to come very closer means I have to be closer to Shastra Yukti. I have to be closer to contemplation. I have to be closer to Mananam. Not only closer to class, appo once in a while ille. Closer, very much closer to Guru Shastra with quality mind, quality time. If not possible, I know you have family responsibilities, family duties, a lot of things you have. But you have to see genuinely, you have to check yourself. Is it really I am not able to spend time? Really? I have to question myself. அப்படி கொஸ்டின் பண்ணால் நமக்கே தெரியும் how much we are escaping. Really, am I not having time? Am I real mumukshu? Am I committed student of Vedanta? Cassettes are available, CDs are available, notes is available, classes are available. All these, how much I am utilizing? And my sadhana part also available at home. What I have to do? Am I doing? What will happen once I do all these things? Nirudha tamaha. Rudha tamaha. Tataha. Tataha means then. Then thereafter, Rudha tamaha bhavet. Then the knowledge will establish. The knowledge will be established, will be converted into firm, sthira, prajna into sthira prajna. The knowledge will be reinforced. The knowledge will be assimilated. Rudha tamaha, that's a superlative degree. Tamaha na superlative degree. Your knowledge will become very higher, superior quality. Ada. Now, Vidyaranya telling, I am not telling, Swamini mela kovichukodungo. Swamini romba strong ga solranga, I am feeling guilty. Na sollala. Vidyaranya says, next shloka. Dhyananmanadyuktitopi Juktitopi rudhe bhede vyatsatoham na kadachid vyatsatyam sadvastu chidravannacha. Further, he is clarifying what he said in 73. He says, once you are able to assimilate that knowledge, once you are established in the knowledge, Once the knowledge is reinforced in you by this dhyana, meditation, contemplation, by the Shrukti, Yukti, all this support of logic, how is it possible for you to give the reality to Akasha? Is it possible for you to give reality to Akasha? Is it possible I cannot understand Sat Brahman to say? Is it possible for you? It is not possible. வேண்டான்னு சொன்னா ஞானம் வந்துடும். அந்த அளவுக்கு சொல்றாரு அவரு. பாருங்க, தியானாத் மானாத் யுக்திதா. மானம்னா பிரமாணம், பிரமாணாத் ஸ்ருதி யுக்தி. தியானம் மூலமா என்ன அனுபவம்னா அனுபவம் வரும். அனுபவம் மீன்ஸ் மை ஓன் experience. I feel that yes, this is a fact. That is called anubhava. Aparoksha jnana, direct knowledge. Dhyana mana yukti bhyam. You have to put in right order. Mana means pramana dvara shravanam kritva, yukti dvara mananam kritva. Shravanam dvara, pramana shruti dvara, shravanam. Through scriptural learning, study of scriptures from a teacher, you come out of what? Ajnanam. After coming out of ajnanam also there are samshayas. That samshaya can be removed only by mananam through yukti. Then in spite of that yukti also, suppose you have still viparita bhavana. Mind is still having habitual orientation and not able to assimilate. Dhyanam, anubhava. That is called nididhyasanam. Shravana, manana, nididhyasanam he is putting in a different word. Manatana shravana dvara, yuktitamaha, yuktitaha manana dvara, dhyanatana nididhyasanat. This is the Jnana Yoga whole program. Shravana manana nididhyasana dvara rudhe bedhe naru. Happy. So this knowledge will become rudhaha, rudhe sati. What rudhaha? Bedhe. Vyat is different. This Vyat is asat. Akasha is asat. It is having only vyavaharika satyam. It doesn't have paramarthika satyam. This is called rudhe bedhe. Now that bheda of nama rupa which is asat, sat is only satyam. This bheda you are firm. Bhede rudhe sati. Then what? Vyat satoho bhede. Akasha and Sat Brahman, their bheda. It is satyam, nirvikaram, nirgunam. It is savikaram, sagunam. It is anityam, agamapayi, it is a bhautikam, it is abhautikam, anagamapayi, it is ever permanent, shashvatam. In the bheda, once you have vyat satoho bhedaha rudhe sati, na kadachit vyat satyam. At any time you, in the akasha vandi satyamo, angra sandeham varadu. How can you say this Akasha is Mithya Swamini? And kekame matam. Epo dhyana mana yuktitaha. If you are doing that properly, kadachit vyat satyam sadvastu chidravat na bhavati. Sadvastu chidravat means what? Sadvastu, Sadbrahman is chidramana here empty, void. Avakasha pradata. Sat is not an avakasha pradata. Only Akasha is avakasha pradata. Akasha is mithya. It is asat. Satyam is not avakasha pradata. It is free from. Nat chidravat means it is free from properties. Chidravat means with properties you never look at sat. Sadvastu chidravat na bhavati. This Sat principle, Vastu means entity. This Sat entity principle will never appear to you with attributes as real. You see, attributes are all unreal of Sat. Sat is Satyam, these are all unreal. The firm knowledge will come. It's not a joke. Okay? We should not take it as granted. Next shloka. Gnasya bhati sada vyoma nistattvोल्लेख पूर्ववत् सद्वस्त्वपि विभात्य रूप सद्वस्त्वपि विभात्यस्य निच्छिद्रत्वपुरःसरम्. Now here Vidyaranya is telling Gnasya, for a wise person, for a knower of this Bheda of Viyat and Sat. Viyat and Sat. Suppose when I talk like this a little intensively, you need not feel bad. நான் ஒன்றும் படிக்கிறதில்ல, வீட்டுக்கு போய் ஹஸ்பண்ட் கிட்டேயோ ஒய்ஃப் கிட்டேயோ சப்போஸ் சொல்லி, சி உன்னால தான் நான் சரியாக படிக்க முடியல, உன்னால தான் நான் கிளாஸுக்கு போக முடியல அது சொன்னால் நினச்சிக்கோங்களேன், அது என்ன ஆகும்னா, ஸோ தட் இஸ் நாட் ஃபேர் ஆன் அவர் பார்ட். We need not blame the family members. They are not the cause. Okay, never do that. அது கூட நான் முன்னாடியே சொல்லி வைக்கிறேன். சுவாமினி இன்னைக்கு ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங்காக டோஸ் கொடுத்தாட் கிளாஸில், அண்ட் இப்போ வீட்டுக்கு போய் those who are little bit depending upon us, not allowing us freely to class, taking our time and போய் அவன் கிட்ட போய் நீங்கள் அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் கிரம்பிளிங் மர்மரிங் பண்ணிட்டான்னா போச்சு, அவ்வளோதான். ஓகே, வாட் தே கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? பாவம், பூர் பீப்புள் அட் ஹோம், வாட் தே கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? நோ, தே கேனாட் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் யுவர் ப்ராப்ளம். யூ ஹாவ் டு சால்வ் யுவர் ப்ராப்ளம். யூ ஆர் த ப்ராப்ளம், யூ ஆர் த சொல்யூஷன். ஏதோ வீட்டில் இருக்காங்களான்னு சொல்லி போய் அங்கே போய் சொல்லக்கூடாது. இது எப்படி சம்பாதிச்சுட்டு வர்றதுன்னு நம்ம பிளான் பண்ணிக்கணும். ப்ரீ பிளான் பண்ணிக்கணும். சில பேருக்கு என்னென்னா 6 மாதம் லண்டன் போகணும், அமெரிக்கா போகணும், இதெல்லாம் இருக்கும். பையன் அங்கே இருக்கா, பொண்ணு இங்கே இருக்கான்னு அந்த ஒரு ஃபீலிங்கு. அங்கே போய் சண்டை போடக்கூடாது. அப்புறம் முன்னால தான் நான் கிளாஸே போயிடுதுன்னு சொல்ல, இதெல்லாம் வெளியில் சொல்லாமல் எப்படி நம்ம டெடிகேட் பண்ணிக்கணும் கிளாஸுக்குன்னது இன்டெலிஜென்ட்டாக பிளான் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஓகே, அது குருவும் சொல்ல போக மாட்டேன், நீங்கள் இல்லை இப்படி பிளான் பண்ணிக்கணும், குருவும் சொல்ல மாட்டான். ஏன்னா அவர் ஏன்னா சேஃபஸ்ட்டாக இருக்கணும், டிஸ்டன்ட்டு. Children also, they don't want to bear your pain and your struggles and all. நம்ம தான் டிசைட் பண்ணிக்கணும் எப்படி, how to manage. That is what real sadhana. No? Now Gnasya, the knower of this, sada vyomaha bhati nistatva ullekha purvavat. Ella language gadabada language. Ullekha purvavat, that purvavat, by better reading is purvakam. Purvakam better. Ullekha purvakam. What do you mean by ullekha purvakam? Nistatva ullekha purvakam. That vyoma, the space, is understood as reminding of its mithya swarupam. Ullekha purvakana orke mithya nama rupa. Naam ke vaasti an artham. And the naam ke vaasti is ullekha purvakam an artham. Mithya an artham. Ullekha purvakam is understood as an illusion or reminding of its mithya swarupam. Nistattvana mithya. Tattva rahita means not having reality of its own. Tattvam and reality. Nistattva means not having the reality. Not having reality is equal to what? Mithya. Anrutam. Asatyam. Ullekha purvakam. It is remaining as only mithya. Bhasamana asat. Ullekha purvakam enna ardham? Bhasamana asat. எப்படி என்ன part is உல்லேகிச்சனா, part is called உல்லேகனம். I am uttering the word part is. Ullekha Purvakam. This Ullekha Purvakam part, name, word is Satyam or Mithya? Mithya. Yatu Ullekha Purvakam tatu Mithya. Then because Yato Vacho Nivartante. Where the words are going, that is Mithya. Where words cannot reach, that is Satyam. Words are reaching part, he is I muttering. Therefore it must be what? Mithya. Nistatvam. Pot doesn't have its existence of its own other than clay. So pot is nistatvam or sattatvam? Nistatvam. Pot existence is whose existence? Clay's existence. Clay existence is what? Earth existence. Earth existence is what? Water existence. Water's borrowed from fire. Fire borrowed from air. Air borrowed from Akasha. Akasha borrowed from? Who is that Brahman? So pot is born out of me. Okay. That is called Ullekha Purvakam. Vyomaha Akasha is only Mithya Nama Rupa. Sadvastvapi Satvastu Brahman Yasya Nichidratva Puraswaram Bhati Asya. For a knower of this Jnanam, whoever is having Vyat Satoho Bhedaha, whoever is having, for such a person, Sadvastu Nichidrat Swarupam. Nichidravana attributeless, propertyless. Nichidratva Purasaram. It is free from properties, attributeless, unassociated with any guna. No guna can touch. It is higher order of reality, this is lower order of reality. All dream objects will come and ottikuma. In the kai konnu. Yesterday I saw so many things in my dream. Any one thing is coming and touching you. Why? You are dissociated from all dream objects. Why? Tell me. Why? Because they are unreal. First point. Secondly, they are not there other than me. I, the waker alone, appeared as dreamer. So therefore they are not separate from me. How they can exist really? Similarly, I, the Brahman, am alone appearing as waker. Now, waker is non-separate from me, the Atma. So wakers' experiences, wakers' different anubhavas, all are happening in me, the Brahman. Dreamer anubhavas all happening in the waker. Because waker gone to sleep. That's why they are happening in the waker only in the form of dream. Similarly, in the waker, all experience is happening in Brahman because of Maya Shakti. Ange Nidra Shakti, inga Maya Shakti. Ipo nama ella enge irkom theriyuma? Swapnalla irkom. In the Vyavaharika Prapancha is another swapna. Of whom? Brahman. I, the Brahman, am dreaming now. அங்கே ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம், இங்கே ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. என்ன தெரியுமோ? ஞஸ்ய, the one who knows, he knows this is a dream. அங்கே அவனுக்கு தூங்குறவனுக்கு அது ட்ரீம்னு தெரியாது. அது அட்வான்டேஜ். ஞானிக்கு இது ட்ரீம்னு தெரிஞ்சே ட்ரீம் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கான், ஸ்வப்னமத்து. பட் அஜ்ஞானிக்கு தெரியாது. புரியுறத? பஞ்சதசி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு, பிரஸ்தானய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், த்ரய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு தெரியும். ஆல் அதர் பீப்புள் கேனாட் நோ. ஸோ ஹவு மெனி ட்ரீம்ஸ் வி ஹாவ்? ஞஸ்ய, எத்தனை ட்ரீம்ஸு? ஒரு ட்ரீம் கிளியராக இருக்க சுவாமினி, ரெண்டாவது ட்ரீம் தான் இப்போ புரியறது இல்லை. பரவாயில்ல, புரியட்டும். இன்னொரு ட்ரீம்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. இந்த ட்ரீம் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ண முடியும், இதெல்லாம் பார்க்க முடியும், இது உண்மை இல்லைன்னு சொல்ல முடியும், பார்த்துட்டே சொல்லலாம். அது சொல்ல முடியாது. That's why dream is not available after waking, but after waking to my real nature, Atma Jnanam, this dream world is solidly available. Therefore, I have completed Vijayadashmi, jolly jolly, and I am going to celebrate Deepavali, jolly jolly. What? Dream Deepavali, dream Vijayadashmi, I enjoy. Who? Brahman. That's why for Jnani, life is a sport. Life is an entertainment. Life is not misery. Life is not a boredom or burdensome or struggle. Life is not miserable. Puriyarada? If not, in the Jnanam illan enna aidum theriyumo? MBBS. Miserable, boredom, burdensome, struggle. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.